So here's some things to think about. Sometimes the 3420, especially when it's in the unconscious design, people really relate to the projector for whatever reason. So here you have this very powerful chart. This very powerful channel. If you look at the channel, it's the only place where the sacral makes it directly to the throat. So it's a channel that is designed to respond. So it's very powerful, but it's responsive. So it's not taking power, it's responding to power. It responds to power. And when it responds, it responds in a powerful way. When it responds, because it's sacral, it's going to respond to fulfilling the needs of others. Now, the 3420 has the potential to be rather busy. It's so much power that it almost needs to do multiple things at once. And part of that need is rooted in the sacral being so powerful and people with this energy not having a lot of filter between the sacral and the throat. And so that multitasking piece is a part of the manifesting generator, but it's also part of the need to burn off energy. People with the 3420, probably more than any other manifesting generator energy type, have been told you need to just pick one thing and stick with it, which is a really like a death knell to the 3420. They can't, with rare exception, because if they do, they're actually having to jam all that energy down into a small space. So they need permission to do a lot of different things at once and to know that even if they're doing it, it's not all going to be successful and that that's okay. That there's a certain amount of spaghetti throwing associated with that 3420 to see what sticks. And that if something doesn't stick, it's not failure. It's just oftentimes the things they respond to doing are the things they need to do to burn off excess energy.